Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Aqil's Anecdotes. I am here at a store which is managed by Star, the Tata company, and actually my son Mr. Rehan is after us that we should be going for Umrah, a pilgrimage, me and my wife. Since we both are 60 plus, so naturally there are certain requirements that we have to follow, religious and personal both. I mean, you should have. There are many things actually. There's a big list of it. So certain things we'll be purchasing by going to RT Nagar. There is a store. I think its name is Gulshan or something, which is meant for having all the necessary things needed for Umrah, like the sheets that you have to have on your body, because no other cloth is allowed. So that you have to buy from there. The janamas you have to buy from there. The soap should have no smell and all that. So there is a big list, and but that store I think he has got it. Here I have come only to search if there is anything like footwear which can help us, because we are not supposed to wear the footwear that covers your foot totally. So that is I mean, it has to be something like sandal or chappal or something like that, something like this maybe. But will it hold? I mean, you should have a good support, no? That's needed. That I am searching. So that is something which I was trying to search here, because covered shoes we are not supposed to wear. So that I am searching. Hi guys, I am not keeping well. That's why I am not showing my face to you too much. You'll get bored. But I am definitely showing the place where I am. So hopefully we'll be able to search. But my wife, no, she always has something, to buy from the grocery section, which is down below. I think I should go catch her to this place, and then we both can pick and choose and buy something which is required. Let me see what she is doing. This is very favorite store for her, and every time she is here to buy her requirement. So let me search her if her shopping is over in this section. Then we'll go up again to buy those. Let me just finish my search for my. Excuse me. Okay guys, I think I will be able to find her in a few minutes. But thing is, keep this particular visit is for shopping few things required for Umrah, and during Umrah and after Umrah I'll be making many small videos to share with all of you, right from Bangalore to Saudi Arab, Makkah, Medina, and back to Bangalore. I'll share further details in other many videos.